Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to share your Google Form responses with others. So for this you have to come to your Google Form, then you have to click on this share option, and then here you can easily share it with other people. You have to just type an email, and then you have to, for example, I am just typing a random email, and then you have to just simply click on the email, and then you have to click on the send option from here, then you have to choose the editor option from here, then you have to click on send. After that, the person of the email will get the access and they can come over to this. And the second method that you can do is go to the response option from here, then you have to click on the three dot option, then you have to click on the download responses.csv. After you click on it, it will give you a zip file, and you have to simply click on this untitled form, I mean the Excel file, and you can simply check them in the Excel file. Here you can see this is already here, and you can simply share it with anyone that you want. And if you want, the last method that you can follow is click on the view in sheets, then you have to wait couple of seconds here, and here you have to click on the share option from the right hand side. It's getting loaded, so we are waiting for here. If you click on the share option here, you can simply just copy the link here by clicking on this link, and if you click on the link copied, then you have to must make sure that you have chosen the anyone with the link, then you have to paste it to that, and then here you can see that the Google Form responses are in the Google Sheet. So thank you very much for watching this video.